In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place text along a custom vector path using a Figma plugin. This is a straightforward process that will really elevate your design projects by allowing for more creative text placement. So let's dive right in. To get started, head over to the Figma website. Figma is a fantastic collaborative interface design tool popular in the design community for its versatility and ease of use. Once you're there, you'll want to log in with your credentials, which will take you to the Figma homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all your projects and manage your design work. Now you'll want to enter the design section. This is where most of your creative tasks will happen. Once inside, select the specific text you'd like to curve or place on a path. Ensuring you've got the right text selected is crucial, as this will be the element affected by the path operation. Next, you'll see an option called Action. Click on it. This is essentially where you can access different actions you can apply to your selected elements. You might see several options here, but we're focusing on something specific today. In this action section, you need to search for curve text. This is a plugin or tool within Figma that allows you to manipulate text paths, making it possible to create curved or custom shaped text. Once you find it, the next step is to click Run. Executing this command will apply the tool to your selected text, opening the path to customization. Once the tool is active, you'll see an option to apply. Click on it. This step finalizes your action, aligning the text along whatever custom path or shape you've chosen, and there you have it. Your text now follows the custom vector path you've defined, all ready to enhance the visual dynamics of your design. A few tips to keep in mind: ensure all your elements are well organized before starting to avoid any confusion. It might also be helpful to experiment with simple designs first to get the hang of how the plugin operates before moving on to more complex configurations. The ability to place text on a path can really add a personalized touch to your designs, and with practice you'll get quicker and more precise. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this walkthrough has helped you understand how to place text in a custom vector path in Figma. With these steps, your designs are set to be more dynamic and engaging. Happy designing, happy